To disable a flashlight on Realme Note 60, first we can swipe our finger from top of the screen, swipe down again, and then there's the flashlight button. Click on it, and when it's grayed out like this, that means your flashlight is disabled. And let me demonstrate that for you. So I pick up my phone, as you can see it's disabled, and when I click on it, now it's enabled. And now let me show you the other option, which is probably cause of your flashlight keep turning on, and you can find it in the settings. Then there's the section called Smart Control, and right here we have a screen of gestures, and you have a draw V to turn on flashlight activated. When we lock our device and then draw V on it, even by accident, it will turn on your flashlight, but you can also turn it off the same way.